On a Seattle campus in 2006, a researcher wearing a rubber caveman mask trapped and banded several wild crows. The birds were released unharmed within minutes. Then the researcher walked away, and the experiment seemed to end. But 5 years later, something strange happened. When anyone wore that same caveman mask near the campus, crows screamed, dove, and scattered in alarm. Many of these birds had never been touched. Some had not even been born when the original trapping occurred. This raised a question that puzzled scientists. How could a wild bird with a brain smaller than a walnut pick one human face out of thousands? And more mysteriously, how could crows who never experienced the threat know exactly which face to fear? The answer would challenge long-standing assumptions about what animals understand and what they can pass on to each other. The research team, led by wildlife biologist John Marzluff, designed a careful test using 2 masks. The caveman mask served as the threatening face, worn only during trapping. A second mask depicting a different human face served as the neutral control. Volunteers then walked identical routes wearing either mask. The results were immediate. Crows scolded and mobbed the caveman mask aggressively. They completely ignored the neutral face. But the deeper discovery emerged over time. Years after trapping stopped, the proportion of crows reacting to the dangerous face actually grew rather than faded. New birds, born long after the experiment ended, had learned to fear a face they had never directly encountered. Brain imaging added another layer to the mystery. When crows viewed the threatening human face, neural circuits associated with high-level visual perception and threat detection activated in patterns strikingly analogous to how the human brain processes dangerous faces. The crows were not reacting to a vague shape or a general category. They were recognizing a specific individual. The hidden mechanism turned out to be cultural transmission. Adult crows taught their young and recruited neighboring birds by scolding together. When one crow spotted the dangerous face, it called out. Others gathered. The assembled mob itself became a living lesson. Young crows absorbed the knowledge from the group before ever facing the threat themselves. Information moved through the community the way rumors move through a human neighborhood, carried by observation, imitation, and shared alarm. This finding reshaped how scientists think about animal intelligence. Knowledge does not always live inside a single brain. For crows, it accumulates across the group and persists across generations. A bird watching you from a wire may carry memories inherited from birds who died before you ever walked down that street. The next time a crow locks its dark eyes onto yours, consider what it might be doing. Not reacting to a shape, not responding to a category, recognizing you as an individual. They are watching, they are learning, and in their own way, they are remembering.